The fantastic letter F. The letter F is a fantastic letter. It comes right after letter E and just before letter G. Look at that fantastic letter F. Now, here are some words that begin with the letter F. Fish. I love to look at the fish. Fire truck. Watch out for the fire truck. Fruit. Delicious, nutritious, wonderful fruit. Frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. Frogs is a word that begins with F. Flowers. Beautiful, wonderful flowers. Food. Here's breakfast. Yum. Flamingo. Look at the beautiful pink flamingos. Fence. F-E-N-C-E. Fence begins with the letter F. Fox. Fox is a word that begins with the letter F. And field. Look at the fox in the field. Fireworks. Kyrie and I love to look at fireworks. Don't you? Family. I love my family. And family is a word that begins with the letter F. And friend. I love you, friend. Friend is a word that begins with the letter F. Now, of course, there are other fantastic words that begin with the letter F, so please, friends, go and find them. Three cheers for the letter